How to delete a playlist on YouTube in your phone. Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you a quick and easy way on how to delete a playlist on YouTube on your phone. Please watch the video to the end so you get all the steps in this process. The first thing you want to do is to head over to YouTube and open the app. And then you want to go to Library. And from here you want to choose the playlist you want to delete. So let's say we want to delete this Instagram tutorials playlist. The first thing you want to do is to click the three dots up in the right corner. And as you can see here, we now have a option of so that we can tap delete playlist. I'm not going to delete this playlist, but this is basically how you delete a playlist on YouTube. If you have any questions, please leave a comment down below and I will try my very best to answer. If this tutorial worked for you, leave a like, and if you want to watch more tutorials like this, subscribe to the channel, and thank you for watching.